Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your WhatsApp deleted message just in a click. If you want to do so, first of all just go to your WhatsApp. You can see here is my WhatsApp. Then delete any kind of message, or if you already delete it's okay. So I'm going to deleting right now for showing you. You can see I delete first message and then check it out that I deleted first message. Follow the first message that I deleted. After deleting, if you want to recover, you have to go first of all Play Store if you use Android phone. Here is it. So just click on Play Store, then search for an application. So I'm going to search an application. Application name is All Deleted Message Recovered. So just search it. Then you will find such kind of interface, and a number of application is here, but follow this application, this one. You can see here for following best way to find blue color profile picture, as well as you can see here Peak International. It's the company name, Peak International. Then just install this application. After installing this application, just click on open. So I already installed it. Then I'm going to go here on my application, and right now it's opening. If you open, you'll find such kind of nice interface. Then at the bottom of the side, you can find here deleted messages. So just click on deleted messages. You can recover also Messenger, Line app and Telegram, as well as WhatsApp. So click on here WhatsApp, then click on first one. Then you can see here that is Turkey Cabinets rule. I deleted this message just before. Right now you can see here, so I'm going to check it. You can see here all the messages that I deleted. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.